say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is JustBrittanyH. If you are not familiar with me, I am going to give you guys the full tutorial on how I did this look right here. Let me know what you guys think about it. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. We're gonna get started and we're gonna start off on the brows. This look is gonna be pretty much full coverage because I'm trying to get back into the own me of doing like full coverage, full face looks. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be using our Anastasia dip brow pomade for the brows. This is an ebony. I have not used this product in how long, so
I'll make it so you never, baby. Can you rock with me? Always stopping me. Can you take it to the baby? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of baby, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, roll with me. Can you take it to the baby? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of baby, baby.
I actually feeling these like pretty messy just because I know I'm going to be cleaning them up. I'm going to be using the concealer we're going to use later on, which is the Juvia's Place concealer in the number 10. And I am going to be doing a an eye look, so this is going to go all over the lid. And on the top, I'm going to use the foundation that I'm going to use later on, which is the Juvia's Place foundation in Tanzania. I'm going to use this on the top.
Oh baby, I'm so far in, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock with me? Oh baby.
Before I do the next side, I'm actually going to go ahead and put my Milk of Magnesia on my face. I have it in this travel size bottle, but I'm gonna put it on my face now so that it can dry by the time I do my next brow. You guys know I have oily skin, so I have to use this. Do not study if y'all can see my lace right here, please. Do not mind it. This wig is not secured. Once I finish the brows, I'm just gonna blend out the concealers and stuff at the edges, just so I can blend into my foundation and stuff properly. I'm gonna take the same foundation I told you guys before, Tanzania, and we're gonna apply this all over the face. I'm not gonna add any to my forehead just because recently I've been feeling like I can just go in with whatever extra product I have on the brush or the sponge. I feel like if I add to my forehead, it's just too much product. So just gonna use my beauty blender. With this product, it's like a little bit can go a long way just because it's so full coverage. A little can really go a long way.
Today ain't it the same? Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? You took it there, so let me say.
Now I'm gonna go in with my contour, and I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place concealer as well in the color 3. And I'm gonna bring this up above my natural contour. I'm gonna go ahead and blend all of this. And the cheek contour one, I'm not gonna bring it too far to the front. So I'm gonna try to keep it like within this area. Now we're gonna go into our concealer number 10. I'm gonna apply this inner corners and on the outer corner of the eye, on the chin, the nose, and a little bit on the forehead, not too much. Now we're gonna use the same beauty blender and we're just gonna flip it on the other side and use this side to blend out all of the concealer. So this is how the face should be looking right now before we go and set this with setting powder. Everything should be pretty blended. I like to leave a pretty stronger contour in the nose because later on with the powder, it's gonna take away from that afterwards with the powder. So for powder, we're gonna use our Sacha Buttercup powder. So I kind of like lightly set all the main areas first before I let any powder sit there. So I like to bake, but first I go in and lightly set those areas before I bake.
Baby wanna take my life. She don't wanna be no side. She just wanna be my. It was all good on the weekend. She was serving the free drinks. She's the one with the thighs, the one with the feeling. She said hi with her tongue ring, yeah. We both wanted something. Phone calls, the phone says. Days off in my bed.
You're gonna look a little crazy right now, but don't worry about it. And you're gonna bring it up here as well on this side. So this is very important. So this is where you're gonna look a little crazy for a little while. And I'm gonna go to my lids while that is going on, and I'm just gonna blend out the concealer on the lid since it may have creased. All right, so I'm wearing green, so I'm gonna do green. We're gonna go into our James Charles palette, and I need a transition color, so I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna go into this one right here, this baby. Alright, now I'm gonna go into this green right here.
Ain't just tempted to touch you, and anything you want to buy, and anywhere you want to fly.
Now I'm gonna take my concealer again, and I'm gonna try to I'm gonna place it in the front before we put down the next color. This is just to like kind of clean up that area, and I want this color to pop, so I want to put it on something.
first then boy. Wanted to change her mind and bro. Next man she didn't know.
So the color I'm picking up now is the color at the very top here in the palette. It's like a white.
Go down, go down, go down. Next thing I know she's calling me like how's the mumsy? Call me fly away to Zanzibar. Baby, who's that girl in your selfie?
Alright. Now I'm gonna pick up the color right next to it right here. It's like a shimmery color, like the same white, but it's like has a shimmer to it. And that's what I'm placing now on the inner corner area. I'm gonna go back down to the face and we're gonna brush off all this powder. And I like to use this brush right here. This is the Real Techniques 402 brush. It's the setting brush. Now I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place blush palette. This is the Saharan Volume 1 blush palette, and I'm gonna pick up Zane. So I'm not gonna do no wing, but I'm gonna do my lower lash line. Before I add anything else, I'm gonna spray my face with my Makeup Forever setting spray. I'm gonna line my lips with my Absolute eyeliner in brown. I like to use this as my lip liner. Now I'm gonna go into my NYX Soft Matte Gel in Sao Paulo. I don't know how you pronounce it, but that's the one I'm gonna go in with. Actually, no. All right, I'm gonna go in with Cane's. Like I said, you can stop here if you want. If you want to add lashes, you can add lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and add lashes. The lashes I'm gonna be using is my INV Luxury Lashes, and these ones are in the number 9. This is how they look. Cute. Do y'all see this bead? All right, let me go fix myself up and give you guys a finished look. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments, what you guys think about the overall look, especially these lashes. These lashes is giving me life right now. Like, I'm loving it. So I don't want to keep you guys too long, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bells on. I'm coming with the videos, as you can see. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, and stay tuned for some clips of this makeup look.
Say my name, no one is around you. Say baby, I love you, you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby, why the sudden